Here it comes! Television's most exciting hour of fantastic prizes. The fabulous 60-minute Price is Right. Tracy Smith, come on down! Joseph Malilo, come on down! Heidi M. Gladys, come on down! And Ronald Bingham, come on down! You are the first 4 contestants on The Price is Right. And now, here is the star of The Price is Right, Bob Barker!
I welcome you to The Price is Right. Thank you. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you. As Janice handed me the microphone today, she said, "Watch out for Tracy. She looks like a wild one." Tracy, if you get up here, you are not going to do me bodily harm, are you? All right. I would like to have you see the first item up for bids. Now, ladies and gentlemen, may I invite you to look over your right shoulder, please. There it is.
A beautiful cocktail gown. From Venegas, this alluring silk satin bustier gown, richly enhanced with lace appliques and electric blue beading. An elegant rendition, Bob.
I'll say so, yes. All right, now you may turn back here. And in dollars, will you please give me your bid on that lovely thing, Ronald?
$290.
He says 290, 290 or 80.
190.
290. That's what they have now. Heidi?
480.
Her bid is 480. Joseph?
395.
395. And Tracy, what do you think?
500.
$500. The actual retail price of that gown is $1,200. Tracy, you win. Tracy didn't know she had won, but that is hers. Now she's coming up here to play a pricing game. Hello, Tracy. Tracy, you have won that lovely gown. Now let's tell Tracy what else she may win.
You may win new tennis rackets. From 10-Star Corporation, for her, a white knight with precision balance system. For him, a John Alexander personal signature model. Covers and aggressive balls are included, or a new car. The Buick Scout Coupe, a sports car with room and comfort, equipped with standard features, plus pinstripes and California emission, plus cassette radio.
I feared for my life when Tracy saw that car, but I want you to know that she did not lay a hand on me. She kicked me twice, but she didn't lay a hand on me. Now, Tracy, we're going to play any number. Each digit 0 through 9 is on that board. Each one is there only once. You give me numbers, we'll light them up. If you light up the price of the car first, you win it. So what is a number you think we might find in the price of the car? Tracy says 7, and we light up the 7. And there it is, Tracy. That's 1.
Eight.
Tracy wants the 8. Let's give her the 8. That's down there in that old piggy bank.
9.
9. Where is the 9? There is the 9. There is the 9.
2.
2. Tracy wants the 2. Will you please light up the 2? Oh, now, Tracy, we're going to have to be careful here, Tracy. You have to be careful because one more number, and that is it, the piggy bank.
Six.
Number 6. Gentlemen, we want the 6. Oh, $8.62. What did she need to win that car? 5, 3. $9,537. Tracy, thank you very much for being on the price. Folks, we're going to try to get ourselves a winner after these words.